guys, is this your first time watching us? Please remember to click that subscribe button. Please just subscribe. Please give us some thumbs up. Just one thumb like this. Pop. All right, guys. Okay, it's another vlog. I'm happy to see you again. I want to prepare chicken for supper, but I don't want to take you through the whole process. I just want to show you how I'm going to bisect it. Unajua mimi ni Mluya. For my international audience, Luya is a sub-tribe, is a tribe here in Kenya. So, and we are known for what? We are known to be the lovers of chicken, but that's a lie. Everybody loves chicken, but they keep on saying, "Oh, Luyas love chicken," and when you see them eat, they eat as though they are Luyas. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to bisect, just the process of bisecting only. I'm not gonna show you the cooking process and all that. So I'll just prepare a wet stew and I'll have it with ugali. I don't know if you know ugali, but I think huko majua naitangaji ugali. Wanaitanga corn meal, corn something. Yes, made from flour. All right, guys. So I'll bring you with me to my kitchen and just come. I'll show you how to bisect. I'm preparing. It's not broiler. It's kienyeji. So I'll show you how to bisect it. All right. Let's go to the kitchen. So guys, this is my chicken. I just bought it. Okay, I don't know. I don't trust this kienyeji za town. Mama, I'm shooting. What is it?
I had anything. When Sean was playing school days, we went to the store.
All right. When I finish, I'll come. You tell me that story. I'll No, Mama. Go, I'll come. Go. You know, she's insisting on finishing her story. Always, she wants to be the center of attention. Anyway, this is our chicken. Before I bisect it, I prefer putting it over the fire just for a few minutes to get rid of this extra, what do you call them? Are they hairs or what? This extra whatever. So this is what I'm gonna do. You see, I could have done this over the Jiko, but I cannot light the Jiko just for this. So I always do it over here. So I don't have the Jiko. Okay, I have one, but you know I cannot light it just to do this unless I'm intending to use it. Hizi ni zile kuku za huku town, so hata sijui kama inakwanga kienyeji ukweli. So but I know it's not broiler. At least I know it's not broiler. So you see, they're burning off. You see, I really don't like it when I have to start eating and then I have to stop to start pulling those to hair. What are they called? Are they feathers? Because they are so small, they cannot even be, they cannot qualify to be called feathers. But are they feathers anyway? You see, it's coming out so well. So the chicken is big enough for us. My family is not so big, so it's big enough for us. And we also, okay, I don't know if you've ever watched another video of mine previously. Whenever I'm making my meals, I always have to ensure I factor in our security guards. We normally have 2 at night and one during the day. So it doesn't go well with me when I'm in the house eating here. And the way it's so cold, and they're out in the cold watching over us. And you know, they normally come at 6. They check in at 6 p.m. So you can imagine a man staying throughout the night. Probably the last meal he ate was around 5, so that he checks in at 6. So at least I make sure they get something to eat and a cup of tea. See my knife? Okay, guys, I have this. But trust me, I will not lie to you that I'll use this. Let me go the traditional way. I'm a village girl. I'm a village girl, so let me do best how I was taught. So I normally start by removing this kabambam. The bambam here. I don't remove the whole bambam, it's just the whole. I remove that. You can put these things here. Then I remove this kabambam. Here we are. Oh, we have to pull out. Okay, let me tell you guys. I can do this process perfectly, but I cannot cut off. I cannot be the one to kill it. I cannot stand seeing it die in my hands. I cannot. So that cannot be me. So this process, I can gladly do it. Yes, I'm a village girl, but I have never had to cut off that neck. I cannot do it. I cannot even stand to watch. But my son Sean does it so perfectly. You see, it's frozen. It's frozen. There you go. Right in the middle. So I have to make sure I remove all this interior, whatever, carefully. Just in case I burst the insulin. Is it the insulin? That bitter thing, like so bitter. In case you burst it inside here, you will not be able to eat this chicken. So I have to remove it carefully. It's frozen, guys. I have removed them. I don't know. I always remove are these are not livers, kidneys? I don't consume those kidneys. Even the livers. But you know, somehow, growing up in the village, we will eat everything. There's no part of the chicken that we will throw. We will eat everything, including the feet, including the intestines. We will clean the intestines so perfectly. Then we roll them around as a stick. Then we barbecue it. That used to be a barbecue in the village. So guys, we have this. Have I removed everything? I have not removed them all. That used to be a barbecue in the village. You know, whenever I tell my friends that story, they're like, ew. But I tell you, that thing is on another level. You cannot even describe. You just have to taste it yourself and find out for yourself how sweet it is, how yummy it is. All right, so now I can chop off the arm. Chopped. The other arm. Chopped. The leg, the thigh. I hope I'm doing the right. Okay, I don't know how you do it. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. There it is. this way. And the neck. Do you know these are some of my oh my God, this was my most trusted knife. Oh my God. My most trusted knife. Oh, all right, on standby. Oh my God. This one is equally up to the task. Hey, what happened to that knife? But such things happen, yeah? Those are some of the accidents that happen in the kitchen, right? I know you understand. Only that mine happened on the camera. Mine happened on the camera, but I know it happens. We are doing well, right? This I'm gonna have to. You know, whenever I go to buy chicken, they tell me, do we bisect it for you? I'm like, no, I'll do it myself. So guys, I've finished. But there is this very important part that I cannot leave out. It's called the gizzard. Do you know how to clean the gizzard? Let me show you how to clean the gizzard. So here is the gizzard. Here. I don't know why, but I used to see my folks do this, and then they do this. I can't explain. I'm also doing it because I saw my folks do it. So I'm gonna do it again. Then you cut. I tell you guys, it's frozen. It's frozen, so I will give it some time. Let me see. Ah, there it is. So it's frozen. Then you're supposed to pull out. I cannot pull out this part because it's frozen. So I'll just remove this, then give it time. I'll give it time. Let me clean it. Then I'll give it time to unfreeze. So I'm giving it time. Once it has unfrozen, right? Yes. I'm gonna peel off this part. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming off. It's coming off. There you go. Perfect. Our gizzard is ready. Perfect. Now let me tell you guys, traditionally, women were not allowed to eat the gizzard. I don't know who came up with that, but I feel like our women were so, what do I say? These men were not so fair to our women back then, our mothers back then. So they were told some special parts of the chicken were meant for men. But we realized these men were so clever. They will tell them, no, if women eat this part, I don't know what will happen. But come to think of it, they just knew the best parts of the chicken, so they wanted them for themselves. But guys, that has been it. I told you, we are not doing, I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to take you through the whole cooking process. I just wanted to show you how to bisect. So I hope you've learned something or you've enjoyed. So let me cook. Then see you on the next one. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I beg you, don't just watch and go. You know, at times I get some of my videos have so many views than my subscribers. Please don't just watch and pass. I beg. All right. I love you guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.